In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Monday.com using our full and updated 2025 guide. Whether you're using the web interface or one of the apps, switching languages on Monday.com allows you to tailor your workspace to better fit your needs and communication preferences. So let's get started. First things first, go to Monday.com and log into your account. You can do this from any web browser by visiting their website. And if you're on the go, you can also use the desktop or mobile app for quick access. Once logged in, you'll be face to face with your dashboard where all your project activities are displayed. Now draw your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. There you'll notice your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu that gives you access to various personal settings. Depending on your role, you might either see an admin or profile option. No worries, just navigate to My Profile to proceed to the necessary settings. With the profile menu open, take a look around for the section labeled Language and Region. This is the area where you can make the necessary changes to the language settings. Click to open it and you'll find yourself staring at a drop-down menu under the language heading. Click on this drop-down menu to unveil a list of available languages. Here you'll see options from English to Spanish, French to Japanese, and several others, ensuring that you can work in the language you're most comfortable with. Selecting your desired language is simple. Just click on the option that suits you, and what's great is that once you do, the interface doesn't lag or require a manual refresh. It smoothly transitions into your chosen language almost immediately, giving you a seamless experience. Now, some technical housekeeping. If you're using a desktop, you don't need to do any more. The changes you make will be saved automatically, meaning you're all set with just a few clicks. On the mobile app, there might be a small prompt asking you to confirm your selection by tapping Save. Do so if needed, and you're done. Your interface should now be fully displayed in your selected language, making your interactions more intuitive and productive. That's it! You've successfully changed the language of your Monday.com interface, aligning it more with your linguistic needs. Now you're ready to dive back into your project management, equipped with an interface that speaks your language. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one. Happy organizing!